welcome back to the channel. It's me, Saber, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Saber. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. So, what are we making today? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We are making banana guard banana bread. Whee! Black and white. Black and white. Look at them, they're so cute. I love them. I couldn't decide on what banana guard still to use, so I used this one. Hope you like it. Now, I have never made banana bread before, and I am really excited to do this because I've always wanted to make banana bread. So thank you so much for the suggestion made over on TikTok. I really do appreciate it. But yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so it makes one loaf, a few ingredients, but like, you know, that's kind of what happens when you make bread and stuff, so yay. Okay, so we have a thing right up here. We have a quote, cool, and then only 4, count them, 4 ingredients or 4 steps to follow, so I'm happy with that. So heck yeah. And one of the things that it calls for is 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. I had some like leftover chocolate from like some other endeavor I had, and well, now I'm just using this. I'm hoping it'll melt the chocolate like real well. Just trust me. I don't know. I'm just hoping for the best. Don't trust me, actually. I don't trust myself with this. So let's see what it says right up here. Sometimes you cannot eat all the bananas that you purchase from the local grocer. Sometimes you like to watch those bananas turn as black as the darkest parts of your soul. This delightful bread recipe provides an alternative to very ripe bananas. Happy baking! The bananas I have aren't that ripe, honestly, but they are ripe, so I hear the riper they are, the better, but this is my first time, okay? So we'll see how it goes. Let's see what Banana Guard says. Yay, banana bread! This old recipe needs chocolate. I like chocolate, and that's, what is that? Is that chocolate or is it poo? It's chocolate, probably. I don't know. What is this white one though? Is it salt? I don't know. Is it nuts? No. I don't know. Anyway. I love banana bread. I love eating banana bread. I just hope I make good banana bread. I mean, adding chocolate, like, I like that. Though I do just love banana bread in general, like with like walnuts or something. I don't know. Maybe this is what I'm going to use when I want to make banana bread from now on. But sometimes I'm craving it and then I don't want to go to the store. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. This doesn't seem too bad. I mean, I've baked quite a few things before, but baking is definitely not one of my strong suits. So we're just gonna hope that it goes well. I do apologize to any bakers out there. I just do my best, okay? Also, I respect you and your work. Thank you. That's not sarcastic, I swear it wasn't. But yeah, it doesn't seem too bad. Just a lot of ingredients and a lot of mixing, so easy peasy. Lemon squeeze, knock on wood. There is some lemon on there too, so easy peasy lemon juice. That didn't make any sense. Okay, let's get started. And here are the ingredients. Wow, looks cute. What do I mean it looks cute? Oh look, it doesn't look as perfect. Now it does. Wow. Yeah, the bananas look like pretty basic banana ripage. What? Wow. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift together flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon in a large bowl. I don't know if there's anything wrong with like doing it all at once like that, so please let me know in the comments down below and I'll learn something today. In a separate bowl, mix bananas and chocolate chips. Dude, I should have bought more bananas because now I want to eat some. But I'm about to have banana bread, so it's like totally fine. You know, one of my favorite things to eat with bananas is Frosted Flakes and milk. And bananas, like little bananas. Oof, that shit's so good. I should eat that again sometime. And lemon juice into a lumpy but soft mixture. Dude, I don't have a big enough bowl for this. Okay. Beat butter, sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla at low speed for 1 minute or until combined. Increase speed to medium and beat 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes until light and fluffy. Add 1 egg at a time, beating until blended after each addition. Add flour mixture to butter mixture alternately. Add flour mixture to butter mixture alternately with buttermilk, beginning and ending with flour mixture. Ooh. Add banana chocolate chip mixture, beating just until batter is blended. Pour batter into a well-buttered and floured 8 by 4-inch loaf pan and place on the baking sheet. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 60 minutes. Cool in a pan on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Remove the bread from the pan and transfer it back onto the wire rack. Let cool for 50 minutes. 50 minutes? I don't know if that's well floured enough. Oh my god, I forgot the eggs. Oh my god, what's gonna happen? Oh my god. I forgot the eggs! Okay, time to take it out. Let's see if I ruined it or not. Moment of truth. Oh my god, it looks like it. You can't tell. Now you can. I got some flour on the bottom. Look! I mean, it looks like banana bread. So now I wait 15 minutes. Okay, so I waited only like 30 minutes instead of the full 50 because I was too excited like a child. So let's go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna get a big piece. What if it's not good? I'm gonna commit to eating it. Alright, and here's the reveal. Whee! Dude, look at the banana in there. Dude, I didn't squish it enough. Look, I made it! Look, I made it! Except I forgot the eggs, so hopefully it doesn't taste that weird. Let's go ahead and try this little piece first. It's pretty chewy. I had to tear it off. It's the edge piece too, so it's like the best part. This is tasting pretty good. Dude, I made banana bread. I messed it up, but it doesn't taste like weird. It tastes like banana bread, I don't know. Unless there's like a thing that I'm missing. Or the way that it looks because of the eggs or lack thereof. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It tastes good, and the edge piece, love that shit. Thank you again so much for the suggestion. I am so happy for the suggestion. Oh my god, like, I love all the suggestions, to be totally fair. And this has been on my list forever, so yay! Oh my god, we did it, go team! Oh my gosh, well, I guess that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. It wasn't too bad, honestly. I started at 8 a.m. and I got everything all ready and was ready to eat by 10:14 a.m. So it took a little bit of time, but not too much time. But I mean, I'm really glad with how it turned out. I'm glad with how the process went. It didn't seem overwhelming at all. Because sometimes I do get a little overwhelmed when it comes to baking things. Not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I didn't even notice until like I was putting everything away and cleaning everything up and I saw the 2 eggs there. Oh, tragic. Better luck next time. But for real, maybe better luck next time. I don't taste, actually I do taste the chocolate now that I'm talking about it. On the first bite I didn't really taste it too much, but like after taking like a couple more bites, definitely can taste it in there. It melts in my mouth. The chocolate does seem to melt pretty nicely. So I'm not gonna clap louder because that would be too loud. But yay! I'm so happy, dude. I'm so happy. I am ecstatic. Like, eee! I made banana bread. Who is she? Who is she? She did it mostly. Yay. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it to the end. Do you guys have a favorite bread you like to eat? Do you like banana bread? Do you like banana nut bread? Basically, I like banana nut bread. I really just like eating breads. Bread makes you fat. I'm gonna eat more of this and be sitting here all happy and shit because I'm just, oh my god. But anyway, if there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time cookbook, I have a list of options right here for you guys. Woo woo. Do you see my hands? Do I look like a flying? Don't look at my other parts of my arms. Just these, the wings. Anyway, I feel like that's enough time. So just let me know what you guys want me to make down below in the comments. I'm slowly going through them. I'm also still currently going through Super Porp. I think we're almost done. be looking forward to that. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And if not, you know, that's okay. You're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye! I don't know if there's anything wrong with like doing it all at once like that, so please let me know in the comments down below and I'll learn something today. Okay. Dude, I should have bought more bananas because now I want to eat some. But I'm about to have banana bread, so it's like totally fine. You know, one of my favorite things to eat with bananas is frosted flakes and milk. And bananas, like little bananas. Oof, that shit's so good. I should eat that again sometime. And mix. Dude, I don't have a big enough bowl for this. Okay. Yeah, that works. That's well floured enough. Look at it, okay. Oh my god, I forgot the eggs. Oh my god, what's gonna happen? Oh my god, I forgot the eggs! Okay, time to take it out. Let's see if I ruined it or not. I'm gonna try. Oh my god, it looks like it. You can't tell. Now you can. I got some flour on the bottom. Look! I mean, it looks like banana bread. So now I wait 15 minutes. Okay, so I waited only like 30 minutes instead of the full 50 because I was too excited like a child. So let's go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna get a big piece. What if it's not good? I'm gonna commit to eating it. All right, and here's the review. Whee! Oh, dude, look at the banana in there. Dude, I didn't squish it enough.